Hello everyone, welcome back to the CATHAY Pacific Updates YouTube channel here. With me, Roberto Monico Ignacio speaking here, as well as my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. And today we will be talking about a CATHAY Pacific Boeing 777-300 non-ER that flew to Xiamen for maintenance and or to get her bigger titles or larger titles as well. So this aircraft is Bravo Hotel November Victor, and she's a former Emirates aircraft as Alpha 6 Alpha Mike Victor. So this aircraft took her flight number 63820, as you can see it here. She had a good circle distance of 496 kilometers, actual flight time 1 hour and 2 minutes, and a gun of 70 degrees, as you can see it here. This aircraft took off at 4:59 a.m. local time in Hong Kong at the southern runway, and then she landed at 6:02 a.m. in Xiamen Airport at runway 05 at exactly 6:02 a.m. local time in Xiamen, China. She's currently in the HAECO hangar, Haikou, and she's currently under maintenance. And hopefully she doesn't stay long there. So for the details of Barbados Hotel November Victor, kindly check the previous video about this bird. So that is a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Monico Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui.